welcome back to another channel of unboxing our new big farm toy. Today we have a corn chopper to open up. I think I need your help to get it out. Ho ho. And here it is. And here it is. Cool, right? Cool. Okay. Pull it out. I might need your help to pull it out. Here we go. Pull it out. So here's the header. The header's out. The chopper's out.
Let's see it.
The chopper's out. Oh, we actually need to unstuff this corner. This is so cool. This is the best day of my life. Finally getting this corn chopper. This is it. This is our new corn chopper.
How does it work?
You can the door opens. The lid's open. You can take off the wheels.
Show us how the header works.
The header works by you can. Then you're chopping. Chopping. And here you have it. This is our new Bruder corn chopper. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and watch more of our videos. Bye!